All right, we finally got the fenders, the hood, and the doors on the car. What we're doing now is trying to get this aftermarket hood on. We already ran into a situation, so we're going to go ahead and work on the car, and hopefully this will be the last panel we put on it, so GTO Jason can get this thing off my property.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Well, there's something going on, I can tell you that. What are you thinking it is? Nitpicking?
Don't know.
You know, I asked Jason, I said, are these factory hinges? And he said, yes, 7 times. And then he finally comes back and says, oh, I buy them from this guy that makes them, and they're original hinges. Okay, OEM factory NOS is totally different than some guy that makes them. Am I right, Nitpick, Norm?
You're right, Pete.
You gotta smile, Jason. It's all.
Pete, I've used 20 pairs of these hinges.
Okay, then why is it fucking up at my free Pete shop? Is it me?
I don't
Is it
think
me?
so. I don't think so.
Because we got a factory NOS factory original fender here.
I think it just
An
doesn't
aftermarket
like us.
hood.
Just doesn't like us. I don't know, Pete. We're gonna figure it out though.
I don't know if we ought to take this other hinge off and line them up together. You know.
Oh my God, Norm.
Well, I don't know.
This is your monkey show, Pete.
sucks, dude. So anyway, we got the hood on. We had to have our buddy Mike come over here. What's up, Mike?
Not much. I came.
Okay, so you're working over at the collision shop, but on the other hand, you're a restoration guy, and you've been doing it most of your life, right?
Since I was a kid.
Since you were a kid. That's awesome. I like that t-shirt you had made, buddy.
Thank you.
Mike Husby's Classic Cars. Now, what do you got, dude?
I got a 68 GTO hardtop, 65 GTO convertible.
Just like this one here?
Yeah.
All right.
Except mine runs.
Right. You think Jason's ever going to get this one running? Be honest.
And he puts baby motors in his. I got 455s in all my.
You got a 455 big block Pontiac?
In all three of my
Son of a
cars.
bitch.
In all
But that's
three
not
of them.
factory, though.
I don't care. I like power.
It's just for you. You got a Firebird too, right?
Yep.
You still working on that?
67 convertible, 455, Tremec 5-speed.
Damn, dude. That's awesome, buddy.
It's in progress.
Now, hold on a minute. You said you came over about 16 years ago asking me for a job.
14 years ago.
Was it? I don't even remember you coming over, dude. He said he came over. I don't.
I didn't know it.
He said when he came over.
If Mike said he came over, he came over.
He said when he came over, though, I told basically to fuck off, and I was
No.
I was hollering, screaming at all my
Are
employees.
you
That's
sure
what he
it was
told
this
me.
guy? Are you sure it was this guy?
Yeah.
Hollering and screaming at everybody?
I remember
No.
his wife.
Not this
Okay.
guy.
Oh, okay. You don't remember me. I'm too
No,
ugly.
I remember going in the office. And
Whoa, was
seeing-
I bitching her out too?
No,
Oh, okay.
Probably.
no, I went in there and was talking to her.
But you know what? It was a good thing you didn't come over here to work because you've been working at the same place ever since the day you went over there. And you work over at Precision Collision. Is that the name of it? ProCare.
ProCare.
So I was telling everybody that we were going blind on this situation, and we had to have, sometimes it's better to have a second set of eyes look at it, a
That's
fresh
right.
set of eyes.
So I called Mike the magician.
Well, okay.
Magic Mike.
But
Magic
you don't
Mike.
understand, dude. We already wobbled the holes out on the fender and everything, okay?
I knew.
So
He
we got the back lined up first. Mike says, go ahead and line the back up. We did that, and then everything fell in place. Shake your hand, make a friend. I appreciate all your help, Mike. And I'm just glad that it's done. I don't give a shit how many fucking guys looked at it. I really
That's right. I don't either.
I don't care if there were
Look at
7,000 eyeballs on it. Well, we got it looking good. We need to detail it out, go over the whole car. We got the doors hung, we got the fenders, got the hood. Everything's looking good. And Mama's gonna love it or no?
Yeah, she's damn real. Yeah, she's gonna love it.
All right, buddy. We gotta go, man. We got the glass. You got all the chrome?
Yep.
You got all the chrome that goes around?
Looks like I left this morning without a piece.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it to you in the morning.
You are?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
We're not taking them off my car.
Why don't you go ahead and get that off your car, Mike?
Mike, can we get off your car? I need passenger side. I guess I left this morning without it.
Sam, I can't believe you did that, Jason.
I can't either, buddy.
Well, we got one more exhausting day on this thing, and then I think it's out of the shop and down the road. And, you know, it turned out to be a beautiful car, but, you know, you get to the point and you say, man, fuck this shit. I just want it out of here, dude. And that's about where I'm at right now. I started putting all the panels together on it approximately about 5:30 this morning. Me and Minnie, the body shop girl, worked until she left. Jason came over, frustration on the hood. But we're gonna get a good walk around to this thing, and then, are you gonna give this to your wife? You're gonna have it all done?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go to this big party. Is Mike going to the party? Okay.
Club up here, party.
All right, we're gonna go to this party, and he's supposed to be giving this car to his wife. So we'll check it all out. Is there anything else you want to critique and look at? Man, you got me all fucked up here, dude. I'm turning it off. I gotta go, man. Okay, get all the shit in here. We're locking the shop down. You've looked at it enough, Jason. Motherfucker. I gotta go. We'll see you later. Well, the moment's come, and it's getting ready to go. The Come and Go Paint and Body Shop. Our buddy GTO Jason just showed up with his dad, and his dad's nitpicking it pretty hard. He's looking at that thing as hard as he can look at it. But it passed his certifications, I guess, because it's getting loaded up and down the road. So we finally got the GTO done. Now it's in Jason's hands. Jason's gonna take it to his hometown and get it all put back together, for his wife, and hopefully she is gonna love this thing. What's going on, buddy? Are you happy, or
I'm happy,
is
Pete.
sweet baby happy?
Actually, you know what? I'm pissed off because you didn't pay my hood scoop. But it's okay. I'll be all right.
Next time we'll make sure we bring Mike over here to run the operation.
Who's the one paying for it? Me or Mike?
Well, alright, and Mike talked you out of painting because he said that's not original. Do you remember that?
Man, I
Do you
want it
remember
done
that?
right.
Yes or no? Because I know somebody that does remember that. Ain't that right, Norm?
What's that?
When Mike was over here, did he tell him don't paint it because that's not factory original and make it look stupid? Yes or no?
He did.
Yes or no?
It looks like a dent. Unload this son of a bitch. This thing we need to repaint it. Repaint it. I ain't happy with it.
It's got a run in it.
No. I wait for the hand to come around
Would
the
you
camera.
just look at it? Would you just look at it?
Would you just look at it? Would you just sit here and know that, guys?
Why did the trailer stop? Oh, Jason's doing a remote control action on it.
Yeah, we got the.
Yeah, okay, dude. Okay.
I'm just messing with
You're gonna give me a panic attack, dude.
I ain't gonna give you no damn panic.
And as you can see,
Get away from the restaurant.
it's being looked at like $1 million restoration job. Just to let everybody know, this car came out very, very beautiful and luxurious, in my opinion. And I think that his wife is going to love the car. She's going to love the car, and it's going to be beautiful. And hopefully, I just don't know what to say anymore about it. I've said everything I can say, and it's a done deal. All right, whoa, come here, bud. What do you think of that car?
It's aight. It's aight. I mean, it's faggot
It's
purple.
aight?
It's aight. I mean,
It's
it's faggot.
aight?
It's faggot purple.
What the fuck is that, dude? Aight?
It's aight.
What does that mean?
Means it's faggot purple.
Is that like South Dallas lingo for Argyle? Aight? It's aight?
I mean, it's aight. I mean, what are the moves?
Okay, hey, Jason, Ryan says it's aight.
Aight.
Yeah, it's aight.
What the hell is that?
He said
even
it's
mean?
aight. Do you know what that means? Norm?
Ike?
Aight.
Aight?
I asked Ryan, I said, hey,
What?
how do you like it? He says, it's aight.
It's aight.
What is
It's
aight?
aight.
Is
I don't
that
know.
a word?
Fuck. That means South. I guess he's from
Is that
South
kinda
Dallas,
like, is that
dude.
kind of like skirt?
That's like
What the
South
hell is that?
Dallas, Ebonics shit.
What's skirt?
Okay, you must be listening to rap music.
Aight?
Hey, you got tie downs for that thing?
I was just gonna leave it like this. It'd be all right.
Yeah, okay.
It'll be aight.
It'll be aight. Okay.
Aight.
As long as it's aight, that's all that matters. As long as it's aight. Looks good. Like it. All right, Jason, when is this thing going to be done, dude? When's Mama going to have her lucky day? Let's hear what's going on. What's the next plan on
We're
this?
gonna have the party in May.
Gonna have it in May.
The reveal at the community center.
All right. All right. Is me and Norm and Ryan?
Yeah, my
Yes, we're gonna
Are
have
we
barbecue.
invited?
Yes,
Is that aight
everybody.
with you? Is that aight?
It's aight.
Is it aight
It's
okay
aight.
with
It's not
you?
aight. Let me know.
And we're gonna have some barbecue there that might be
Right?
aight.
Is that Sweet Baby's Diner barbecue?
Sweet
Aight?
I heard the guy.
Sweet
Sweet-
boys.
Sweet boys,
Sweet
yeah.
boys. All right, what's going on with your car, bud? Where's yours at?
Yeah.
You got a 67 GTO. What's going on with
No,
that?
I got a 66.
What's going on with that?
It's at the
Where's
body
that
shop.
at?
Yes, sir. Just go just
It's
like
at the
that.
body shop.
Yep.
Why aren't you over there
Body
nitpicking
shop
that thing?
from hell.
Why aren't you over there nitpicking that
I
thing?
am. I have been.
Have you? Okay, as long as you got him nervous, I guess everybody's happy. Okay.
That's all the.
All right, Jason, we got to go, bud. Shake a hand, make a friend. We're going to see you in what, a month and a half?
Month and a half.
Okay.
Barbecue, cream pie,
Yeah, cream pie for free.
convertibles, Sonic
Okay.
slushies.
All right, we're going to be banking that this thing will be done then,
It
dude.
will
'cause-
be.
All right, we're going to be aight.
Aight.
Okay,
Aight.
aight.
That sounds aight.
We'll be cruising through on our way to Moab
Aight.
to see it unveiled and given to your lucky woman of the year, your
Yeah.
wife. And hopefully she's going to
Think it's
love
aight.
it.
Because if she doesn't
She
like
might say aight.
it, Pete, if she didn't like it, I'm gonna get rid of her and I'm gonna let you paint it teal. 'cause
She
that's what
might say
color I want
aight. She might say
it.
aight.
Aight. You think she thinks
might.
You know what? It's aight.
She might, right?
Right.
Aight? Aight?
It's aight. I mean,
Yeah.
that's what she's gonna say.
All right.
We need a good.
As long as it's aight, we're okay. All right, so now that that car's gone, we're going to get on our 1977 Honda Civic. We got body work to do on that. And we really got to get down on this thing because we got this thing sitting in bare metal. This is actually where I stopped on this car right here. I'm gonna let everybody know these hoods are very, very rare. If you have one of these hoods and it's in mint condition, put that son of a bitch on eBay, because that hood is probably worth about $1,000. Anyway, it had a big old giant dent right here, and it took me hours and hours and hours to finesse that thing out. So that's where we stopped on this car, and that's where we're gonna start back on the 1977 Honda that's going to California.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.